How to create Litmatch account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how we can create a Litmatch account. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to sign up or create a Litmatch account. If you want to sign up or create a Litmatch account, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then launch the Litmatch application. This is the interface you will see. You can sign up using Facebook or your Google account, just depending upon what is much more comfortable for you. I will select my Google account in this case. Once I select my Google account, choose the Google account that I want to maybe go ahead and then sign up with and agree to the terms and conditions. Once I've agreed to the terms and conditions and then I hit the allow button, I can simply choose a nickname for myself. So let me go ahead and then fill in these details accordingly over here. And when I filled in these details, I can enter my birth date, the birth month, as well as also the birth year. Then after I've done that, I can go ahead and select my gender. Then I can tap the done button and then tap the confirm button. And once I've done that, I'll be able to successfully create my account. So I can go ahead and then select the gender as well. Then I can tap the done button. Then I can skip all of this, but now you can see my Litmatch account has been successfully created and then I'm ready to start making new friends. That's all it takes for me to sign up or create an account on Litmatch. I hope the video helped you out. And if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.